Spell the word sat. Woohoo! You spelled sat. Spell the word men. Super! You spelled men. Spell the word dim. Yay! You spelled dim. Spell the word mix. That's it. You spelled mix. Spell the word bud. Good thinking. You spelled bud. Spell the word bog. Good job. You spelled bog. Spell the word cap. Great! You spelled cap. Spell the word rub. Oops! Cool beans. You spelled rub. Spell the word dig. Cool beans. You spelled dig. Spell the word mad. Cool beans. You spelled mad. Feed all of the uppercase letters.
A P W
Feed all of the... Yay! You fed all of the uppercase letters. Feed all of the uppercase letters.
V L T X.
Yay! You fed all of the uppercase letters. Feed all of the lowercase letters.
F N S W.
Woohoo! You fed all of the lowercase letters. Feed all of the lowercase letters.
M U C K.
Woohoo! You fed all of the lowercase letters. Feed all of the letters.
I N B.
Great! You fed all of the letters. Feed all of the letters.
N R U D.
Great! You fed all of the letters. Feed all of the numbers.
225.
Cool beans! You fed all of the numbers. Feed all of the numbers.
20 18 6.
Cool beans! You fed all of the numbers. Feed all of the vowels.
U A E O.
Neato! You found the vowels. Feed all of the vowels.
A E O.
Neato! You found the vowels. Feed all of the consonants.
S Z V.
Yay! You found the consonants. Feed all of the consonants.
W G S.
Yay! You found the consonants. All of these things start with the k sound. Tap them.
Corn, cake, car.
Nice! Which one starts with the k sound? Tap it.
Cow.
Great! Now, let's do a tricky one. Which one does not start with the k sound? Tap it.
Truck.
Nice work! Match the words that start with the k sound. Super! All of these things start with the B sound.
Bike.
Tap
Bird.
them.
Bee.
Super duper. Which one starts with the B sound? Tap it.
Bird.
Cool beans. Now, let's do a tricky one. Which one does not start with the B?
Cat.
Sweet. Match the words that start with the B sound. That's right. All of these things start with the sound.
Moose.
Tap
Milk.
them.
Monkey.
Yay! Which one starts with the sound? Tap it.
Milk.
That's it. Now, let's do a tricky one. Which one does not start with the
Cow.
Good job! Match the words that start with the sound. Good thinking! All of these things start with the D sound.
Duck.
Tap
Dog.
them.
Dinosaur.
Good work! Which one starts with the D sound? Tap it.
Dog.
Good thinking! Now, let's do a tricky one. Which one does not start with the
Moose.
Great! Match the words that start with the D sound. Great job! All of these things start with the T sound.
Tractor.
Tap them.
Train. Truck.
Awesome! Which one starts with the
Tractor.
Woohoo! Now, let's do a tricky one. Which one does not start with the T?
Milk.
Cool beans! Match the words that start with the T sound. Great job! Thanks for playing with me.